into engingayisho-ke nje ngalo mbuzo wakho ukuthi because it shows that you listen attentively every time I'm articulating, you are tracking. So even now I'm compelled and fascinated to articulate this information so diligently. So please listen attentively. So kunezinto engafika ngomuntu ngisho ngafa yena they will always be there and they've been there perpetuity. Okuyini the Atman, that is the divine part, the Buddhi, that is the spiritual part, and then the Manas, that is the intellectual part. Okuyisoli ke leyo ke. Ngithi ayizwa lonto. So yini isoli? Isoli is a consciousness in experience. It is the experience of the consciousness that is having ama aspects afana nokuthi thoughts, emotions and actions. Yabo? That is the experience. So uma ngabe kwakhiwa lento ihardware i-consciousness no soul yonke lento ekade ngiyibala, it is the operating system. So i-hardware yakhiwa for the first 6 months kumuntu, and then the last trimester, the last 3 months kuzongena i-software now. But before I go on, let me explain something ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akasha uthi ngizana noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Into enza ukuthi ngithi lo mbuzo wakho correct ngempela, ngoba uma ubheka kuya siyasithi into noma siyasithi soul, ngoba isoul yona ayifi. So yona kuyona kune information ethile about the previous life and all of those things. Isoul ka asithi isoul ya activator ifana nama login details, ya activate isoul and ya guide ukuthi wena uloge in. Kusho ukuthi ngamanye amazwi ukhumbula izinto ezikhona la on a cellular level. Isoul ya guide ayikwenza ukuthi I impose isoul. Isoul ya activator yona ukuthi iguide wena ukuthi ukhumbule, ngoba ukukhumbula kwenzeka it is an experience. Ukukhumbula is an experience, yabo. Ake ngibe kanje futhi lento, yabona kuma cells akho